Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a nice evening. You guys had a wonderful day, but I wanted to discuss a future auction sale. This one is going to be hosted by our friends at Heritage Auctions. All right, and this is a coin that is no stranger to the auction scene. A coin much like this one sold in 2017, just last year, to the tune of 21,000 and I believe $875. It's a lot of money, but let's go ahead and talk about why it sold for that much money, and maybe, just maybe, you guys will feel incentivized to do a little treasure hunting at your local coin shop or perhaps the next show. All right, so this one is a 1968S proof Kennedy half dollar. This one is graded perfect PCGS proof 70. And indeed, it is a deep cameo coin. So you guys have seen a few videos here recently about cameo coinage, and I figured we'd follow it up by a coin that might be making some waves here in a few months. Again, this is a coin that's going to be highlighted in that November 7th auction coming up here, and it's going to be the U.S. signature coin auction. This is the event that they hold in Dallas every year, and they always have some breathtaking coins. This is going to be one that I'm going to keep my eye on very closely. There are 16 graded in this example, and apparently the demand is really still up there. The last example sold for over $21,000. The previous example sold a number of years before that for $12,000. So it's any guess where this next example could end up. If demand is still high and this is still a need in the registry sets, then I would probably expect this particular example to fetch that same $20,000 and up price level. This will kind of help gauge a few things. Okay, number one, the coin market in general as far as moderns. Moderns have kind of dipped a hair in terms of some of those high-end top population coins, coins in which that are kind of a unicorn. It takes a lot of dedicated searching, and second of all, it's also going to test the market for proof coins. The business strike material stuff that's made for circulation has always done well, but how are proof coins doing today in comparison to, say, even last year or even 5 years before that, when people were really looking for these type of examples with a massive fury? So I would expect that there's going to be some pretty spirited bidding on this particular coin. Again, it's a coin that aside from a few little defects on the PCGS plastic, the coin is absolutely delectable. It's dripping with all sorts of mirrored finish in the fields. The frosted devices are absolutely wonderful on this coin. It's really exquisite, and it's going to be an expensive coin for modern day standards. So feel free to check it out. There's no auction number assigned to this coin yet, but you could go on to their website, ha.com, and you're going to see a little splash come up on the main page with the signature coins auction that's held in Dallas, November 7th through the 10th. It's going to be one that's a surefire can't miss for sure. And you guys check out some of those proof sets you have socked away at home, or go ahead and do yourself a little cherry picking online or at your local coin shop. As always, I appreciate your guys' time this evening. We love talking about high-end modern coins, some of the classic material, and everything else in between. Again, help a brother out. Give me a great big like on this one. Subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. There's going to be a button at the end of the video where you could easily do that. And of course, hit the bell for instant notifications. You will gain access to all of the new content as they're made available right away. So I appreciate your guys' time, and you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care now.